the Jimmy Wobo, all of them were coming to Okigbe for relaxation. Great place. What about Arondi Zogo? Eba in the we pay transport, we leave whatever we are doing, we go for their carnival. Oyaka Ndamuro, Oyaka people that does not even have history, they destroy. Oya, is this Imo state that animals are destroying? Is this the same Imo they Samumbakwe left in our hands? Is this the Imo that senators are keeping quiet? Federal House of Representative members, they are keeping quiet, they are battling people while their houses are burning fire. All of you are seeking to be elected. If they elect you, what will you do? If you cannot speak for the people now, when you are elected, what will you do? Nah. No. I don't know. But just hold on. Can we finish my live broadcast, okay? Okay, my brother, I'll get back to you. Do you know how disappointed the Samumbakwe will be? The Jimmy Wobodo. These are people. They are good prizes for us. They them by the way of blessed memory, my brother. Thank you. From around this Zogo. These are great men. Iboji de Bube. They are supposed really this man who paid prizes for us. How would they even they Chukwemeka will be highly disappointed? And I'm bringing up our people, our fathers who paid the price. The guns had a law, the civil war, had turned against our people. They did not use it to point at anybody from Igboland. And when Asna Chukwemeka turn to AK-47 or turn any rifle, we don't pass one day Kyogo, the enemies would have overrun him. But he ignored. Or our people had a clear gossip at that time. Does it seem as if our people does not talk or speak against Chukwemeka upon his money, upon protecting his people? They spoke against him. Did he mind their wives? Did he mind what the people were saying? Even on Magrodi, he was going about looking for food. He was looking for rifles to give to his people. Can he defend the own? Is this the same great Igbo? Where Chukwemeka did not count Niabonya Nambra. He defended the soil of Igboland. O defend Remandimo, Maabia, Menugu, Manambra, Oyakine destroy. Yes. Good evening. I'm at working now. Just too small. I'm on a live broadcast. Oya couldn't destroy. Oya Kamwani. How do you feel? Chukwemeka did not consult any woman. And what don't want that so ginger and push our people. But today, our women in Germany. And that your man and yes, command Nebushiwandi Okigwe Bushiwandi Imo State. Now one day Nebu our brothers angels and Unabe and Kite Bono Boma and Kite. Baha people in Kite Anambra. And they are living. Oyaka, which woman I had to Ojukwu na the battle? Which woman? Name 2 or 3. Hapro to encourage Ojukwu to face the enemies of Ndi Igbo. Jinda was here and Obushi was here, our people. If Ojukwu, straight Ojukwu the fight here, Biafra. Straight Ojukwu the fight here, the world. If Ojukwu unleashed that strength on Ndi Igbo, and I can have up to 3 today, we wouldn't have remained up to 3. We wouldn't have remained up to 3. You now see the hatred some persons from Anambra State is preaching. Because I spoke about Akwoko Tiuraki today. They now realize they were Hedika State today. They begin to tell me to mind Imo State. Now blood, now upon the soul of Imo State. But your uncle, your brother from Nnewi, Chukwemeko Dimegwojuku, defended all the soils and the cronings of Igboland, provide their land, provide their medicines. We defended the people, even with the wealth of his father. But the little one, each and now Basindi Imo State Ogo. Each and they destroy your Kigwe, each and they destroy your Maka, each and they destroy your Rodo, each and they destroy you. Kai! And people are clapping for you. Ichena one Ala Igbo no yade. Ichena irolo no yade. Ichena chiga burge chioma is a lie. Oba ashi omamme. Ndi Igbo, this price each of Ndi Igbo to happen. We have paid 5 million persons paid for me to be here. They paid for me to be alive. My uncles paid. My dad sit us down and tell us history. Ine go to this man or Diebube. I go to my maternal home, the same story. Every chronic, if you come to my village, you have a bamboo hit teacher. Is this what you are pushing our people to pay with their lives again? If it were an enemy who came and fight our people, then we would have endured it. If it were an enemy who came from externals, from far to come and behead our mothers, then we would have defended ourselves. Why must it be our own people? Chukwu yerigi, Ala Igbo yeri, all of you. You cannot try this thing in Anambra State because your people will find you. Mani yana swan, you need this order. I know Boy State, but at the chronics of Imo State. You will enable our mothers, enable our fathers, enable our uncles, Ala Igbo Erigi. You will not go. Otosreji meya, people are bankete, bachinkete. Kiji bronye. Obugibu chukune nyendo. Do you know what the families of those people you are killing today, do you know what they passed through? Do you know what they went through? Those houses you are born in today, many of them were living in red mud houses as at 18 years ago. Go and verify. Kinabolo Hoko, after hundreds of years, their ancestors could not build any house. Their ancestors could not build. Their cousins, their nephews could not even own one block house. And God remembered them through one of their sons. After 18 years, you rendered them homeless again. Kai, onyemani mo iha. Who kept us this way? Who brought these things upon us? Onyemani iha. There's a video I'm looking for here. I can go see it. Amara no gadi kwale bube Ezichukwu kimera nyi ai na yogi. You no go. Can't even for this video. Go on for that our people was in him or here. Kevin to start this video. Where did I keep this video? Kevin to start this video. Keep our people no more here. Keep our mothers no more here. Keep we our people. You need to see them shivering. You need to see what is going on. Okay, for the IDP in Anuzimakia, the IDP camps we used to hear is now in our place. Ibani Kodizi. Kevin to start that video. Kevin to start that video. Kevin to start that video, God. Kevin to start that video. I need to see. I need to give our people. I need to give for fear name no Kigwe. Kono Janya no for. Can who send me that video? Please send it back to me if you are watching me. That video about some elders and women not anymore here. Now I thought they are away. Kai. Who sent me that video? Send it back to me. If you are watching me, send it back to me. Send it back to me. I don't know. Madam can see me that video. I don't know. Madam can see me. I don't know. I don't know. How did I get that video? KBMC went to that video. Oh, there is idiot. Not easy to endure. And let me tell you, if you are from Imo State, any chronics, I speak to you because my spirit is provoked to tell you. If you say it doesn't concern you because Norute by your side is coming. It's coming to your own side. Onabia. Somebody said that was in the Imoko. Arondizog. Yes, that video was in Arondizog. I'm looking for that video. Who can send it to me? Let me send my number here now. If you have it credit, please send it to me. My number is 090. Send it on this one now. I want to show the world what our mothers are going through because of Omaka Hamonamo. Because of today they get back to Kai 09064235745. Somebody should help me. If you can pick my number now, help me comment it here. Send the video to me here. 09064235745. She can comment here myself. 09064235745. 09064235745. 09064235745. No, Omega Capital, you made mistake. 09064235745. Whoever has the video should send it to me. With that video. On our mothers are in the bush. They're in the bush. They can't even go home. Many of them are. You need to see that video. You know one thing within the Igbo, the Igbo will feel less concerned. Do you see your pastors talking? Those people you were supporting before. Do you see them talking now? Have you seen them talking? They are part of what is going on. They are in support of it in one way or the other. Only they're involved. People who can do you know how wickedness grows? Somebody will keep going on all your way. See, you are healed in Jesus' name. Nani ye go to ina bagane. That person can do undo. ebe that video no. Kedebe that video no. Kedebe that video no. Aye. Ha, kebe mma for that video. Obono na-eme ihe a mmiri n'iya gawa hapụrụ poor people hapụ na our people kpọpụrụ na our people anya hapụrụ ndị a na-enwe ihe ha mere anyị ga-atụpụrụ gị ọnụ ị ga-abụrụ n'ihe niile na ka ibe m hapụrụ da vidio Ibe m hapụrụ da vidio Chineke mere. Ayi, that video tibe gba aka m furu ya. Tibe aka, I didn't save it. I save on me. I tried to download it. I was on the road and network disrupted me. Ah, Chineke mere. Nande get sending that video back now. It is later that they will come here. They will likely join me later. Let me search my other phone and see if he's here.
The foolish man's house.
Let me check if I will see it.
At home. Because
come.
you know, it's not that they are winning the battle.
Okay, somebody said I should check out Igbo page. You will see it. Okay.
Just on that Royal Caribbean cruise heading back to New Jersey this morning.
I can't find it. I can't find it. Cannot find that video. I misplaced it. I made a mistake. Somebody send it to me, but if I find it on my WhatsApp, I will see it. Say check. I sent it. Did you send it to that my number? This my number now. Let me check. Nala our people. Come on, Nalena our people. See our people in the bush. See. See our mothers. Who is this idiot commenting put body? You write Umoma, Thunder Babu that place. Come and get her from here. Put body and you're living in the bush. If you are one of those goats, put body and you live in the bush. Put body and you live in the bush. Tout! Put body, you live in the bush. I may be a bala, in jump, in more here. With the camera, make video. Well, today, Woto, Thunder Babu that place. Fools. And they go put body. Can you go to for the rest of your life a man from that airport, Anya? You can never, and they don't know the implications of those videos they make. You see, Aleka. Look at the type of freedom, the type of peace you are giving to your people. Just watch this is an elderly man with grey hair. Ni more hair can this man anymore. Even including a newborn baby. Child. Look at a child. When they gave birth to you, your mother, your father were in the same house and they gave birth to you. They raised you under one roof. Lay him and one mother. Look at conscienceless human beings. Look at. Hold on, my brother is here. Just imagine. The whole world should see. All of you now abroad. Look at inside bush. These people are married go. These people destroy go their houses. Please, this video, I will post it shortly. I will find way and post it shortly. Just watch. Oh, Shebi, you live abroad. You are happy that your children, they are in safe country, right? Then Anya, Igbo, what you are going through. According to the person who sent this video to me, he sent this video from abroad, but I cannot find that guy's number. He says his parents everybody no anymore. That guy sent that video to me. He sent it to me that day. I couldn't hold my tears. Just that I made a mistake. I didn't save his number. I didn't save the video. So one of his brothers made this video and sent to him in case if this will be the last eyes this guy got from her again. In case, just like that, this newborn baby or Sabo, this newborn baby konyo mejoro. Nwa aloru wa n'Igbo konyo mejoro ke ihe ojo mere. What is this little baby's crime? What is the crime of this little child now? That's what I'm asking these idiots. What is his crime? K crime obrenwa. K crime this elderly man with gray hair. Will you live long? At all costs, will you ever live long? Inside bush, our people busy. Abagolo hoko. What is the crime of this little child? What is the crime of this little child? Committed. Committed. Let me tell you one secret. When Imo was Imo, a truck driver, had argument with the task force. However, the driver, steering driver will move for motor, Gabu move school. The governor of Imo State then banned task force in Imo State. It lasted till the time of Rochas, Ovole Rochas Okorocha. No task force. Because of Obremwa, Imo mourned that day. Your names will never be remembered for good till also going to give 150 before you start these things. For you displacing this little child, God and nature is against you. If you are watching me, as you feel you have reprobate mind, your grace, you won't even have grave. Imo State. Nobody displaced you like this. Even your father self respected your mother, then there was no dispute. Your sponsors abroad. Then our sponsors abroad. That's why you need to share this video, all of you. Everybody watching me, if you have conscience, you will share this video. If you have conscience, except me, what conscience? If you have reprobate mind, share it, let it get to them. Let it get to their sponsors. I'll also delete that in our commentary. Don't mama. In a equity page. HME, what are human sympathy? What are conscience? I thought you don't have conscience. Why did you delete it? You were your non-gun man. You were your non-gun man. Sponsor. You are one of them. Stay, watch me. And let me tell you, for you to have keypad to type that in, the Shanamites, he that lives amongst the angels, you that I know, in the gallows where I sit as one, that one, even that conscience, that mind, that thing, your end comes speedily. Whether you are one of them, whether you are not one of them, so far you derive joy. Nimeya. Nemoroge. Ngajaheji nyamwa America mjipogo no ta. Your end comes. Can I leave this video at the comment section? Is it possible? Let me check if it's possible for me to do that. Let me see if it's possible for me to leave this video at the comment section. So that only 6 of you share this video, share this live broadcast. That's very, very bad of all of you. You won't even be there yourself. Only 6 of you. All this while I'm not here. Only 6 of you. Only 6 of you share this video since I am here. 9 of you now just share this video since I'm not this live. Only 9 of you. Then why are you here? You're only watching Governor Ezioku in Hogieku. You're afraid of sharing it na page gị ka ghara ịma na ịdị against evil. That Ala. You get people jụrụ Igbo anyụkwa egbughị Igbo. Cannot comment that video here now. Maybe I will edit it shortly and post. Forgive one with the mind. Forgive one with that courage. Despite displacing people, in when the courage in the internet to support in one way or the other. Let grave open. Akika na binambu yeria onoge. Manelu ala anywhere you are, anywhere also no get no. I can comfortably live without these things. I can live without talking. Because I know you get the chronics of River State. But Rivers people are soon or even I got to get the so go. The feed them with one gun, a real crude oil, they will take it for 47. These people want access to rifle. He uses Zuzu now. Go use your phone, Google Niger Data Amnesty. Google it. Can you put the kind of machines and that's submit to you? And I want to give you a secret. Here submit about the ones on had also choice submit. They maintain on one. They maintain on. These people won't take it. He so go. He may umpete. Leave us people in the family and take it. He so go. Am I able to work with this governor? Okay, what up? I be at River State with that po. Check your history. On our Wakara Mafia. Some old mayor open ye mayor and the secret. In Chetapa, name in Boru. Governor Sevike had the courage to enter Kochiri. Otohojo. Mafia no na putana ania den. I mean Governor Rosi Bichibika Amici. Each and always good ego. Unafube here, you can name me and make those things, those places, name me on that no. Let go and check people who must have done this. Check here all of them who did this to Igbo. Many of them. I will leave this live broadcast right now. I will leave this live broadcast. Governor Zoku will leave here. That I may take my time as I leave live broadcast. I climb the altar of the Shanamites in the spirit and begin to speak on behalf of our people. And I don't want to stop at the point of saying that we are interceding. The worst place, sometimes you keep your prayers behind and take actions. Since I am on this live broadcast, in the share of this video, Saben shared. Clark Ayazo, you shared. Abuchi Nabuhe, you shared this video. Miracle World, you shared this video. Don Martins is a Madoka, you did. And so far and so on. I feel like mentioning your names. Osie Adeji, you shared this video. Joy Mwamaka, God bless you. You've been an old fan here. Ukibe, James, Ifan, you did. Just these few persons. Somebody said that they want to be like Don Wani from Omoko. They can never be like Don Wani. And anything like Don Wani, where is Don Wani? He's in the grave. Or even on, you know, I don't know if you know what happens to my government Igbo mother. And I where I see it. And I where I see it. You won't find it funny. You will never find it funny. Which you did. You just shared. Can I play back this video? And I have another video I think I should play here for you guys to watch. Their end is here. All of them. If our governor cannot do something, take a walk. Tell us. Hold on. Let me just show you the face of this young child. Can you know how wicked this guy is? And for how brutal had it. Lenki kachaba wobi. Lenki kachaba wobi. The worst. Then they have Rosabo. Then they have Rosabo. Learn how Rosabo. Learn what I can graniku. I took more honey more here. The baby will be like, "Chai, what a word." Do you know that these boys see me tender like this? Ha, babu shendri no here, nana home agare. That's what they do. That's what they do. They granny, grandmother. This grandmother, could grandchild there. This grandmother, could grandchild there. Naka, but utoso ni moha. You see the age of this elderly woman. They have displaced these people. They have displaced these people. The woman could go the grandchild Diana Kanimoya. They were no conscience at all. Nimoya. Le iloko the elderly woman the phone aqua coma, so aqua coma and bedroom slippers. Power. Le age this grandmother, le age this woman, Even in death, the woman can love Robrenwea or Robrenwea. Even in death, this elderly woman still holds her grandchild. Now look at this baby, this little baby unu chopro n'ụlọ unu je egbo unu gbakashia gbo ụlọ ọkụ ha gbakputa n'ime ọhịa. Lee the grandfather, lee the grandfather, lee age this elderly man. Lee the elderly man there with gray hair. If you go see Tiaka na abaya, you see the elderly man, you see le nwunye nwa ya le anya le nwa agbọdọ like this. Ya mụrụ that little baby. Le nwa ya nke ọzọ, the other child nke a na ebe a na ka nwa ya le ụmụaka le age these children enwele experience civil war from that moment. They panic in the now they will live in fear. Or they can open watch back now. When they hear gun sound and the baby wants to cry, they will use wrapper and cover the mouth of that baby. Oga kamana haji akwa. See what it costs. I'll leave you now because I have something to go do outside now. Now I want you to look down. I don't know if you can see down. You will see another woman. You see another woman down. You see another woman down there. You see another woman down. If for that side, that one is standing. I'll call you now. Sir. Just imagine, another person's mother. That one is another person's mother also. She's also an elderly woman. I'll post the video so that you see. That one is also another elderly woman. So if they can use camera to capture these ones, if these ones can have courage and video and send to their sons in the city and overseas, in case I want, within this video as the last video I made. Who knows other families that equally fleed immediately, that didn't have access to phone. Are you getting what I'm saying? Who knows in various bushes around that area, how many pregnant women that are there, how many sick people that could not even run out of their houses. That doesn't concern our governor. As at 1 hour ago, the governor of Imo State posted that traditional institutions must be supported and encouraged to continue delivering their vital contributory role in sustaining growth and cohesion in our society. 1 hour ago. And he's even taking picture. In the picture he posted today, the former governor of Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi, was in Imo. You will be angel where anywhere you appear, this and that will happen. Didn't you avoid where these governors are? You avoided where they are. Hello? Good evening. I'm on live section now, please. So as of today, Dave Umahi was in Imo. He was in Imo. And our traditional rulers were with him. Nobody discussed what is going on in Imo State as of today. Did you stop Ohopo Adema from smiling? Did you stop him from smiling with Dave Umahi today? Did you stop him? They laugh at you. They will look at you and laugh. Even the Obi of Onitsha was in Owerri. Then Obi of Onitsha was in Owerri. Saturday. While our people were in the bush running helter scatter. Do you know why you must be careful? You are not doing all these things to our people. See, the traditional rulers, you see hall full now. These are traditional rulers, hall full everywhere. Napala says Imo. You know where is Imo? His office is in Owerri. That's where his palace is. Your traditional rulers, the ones that managed to escape to Owerri, the ones that managed to escape to Owerri that refuses to come back to your village, they were in this meeting today. What would they be saying? If they say something, they will join and clap for the governor. If they don't see, ooh, their villages are burning. Their state assemblies will be there. Your state assembly member can't even say, His Excellency, they just called me and said that they've piled 10 persons in my place. Security is a can't do that. Look for your backyard. Because those ones are a cool case. If you go to the village and buy a cook, a dog, and carry the cook like this and start coming back to your house, you can name it. Just change the name of your state assembly member. If you are from anywhere in Southeast, I'm not telling you only Imo. Because the state assembly member no get mouth. They cannot challenge the governor. You don't ever see your state assembly member challenge governor presently for Nigeria. They know their level. The ones who fit talk self for fear. The system corrupts them. Once they get there, they kill him. They start talking like animal. You have you ever seen your state assembly member? I challenge all of you when they watch me now. Show me one picture where your state assembly member raise hand. I know they tell you talk anything self. Show me picture where he raise hand for chambers. Where he raise hand, they say objection. Just no. I know tell you say make him pass bid. No, you don't even see him before the maze. None of them have the courage to go before the maze to even submit possibly bill or maybe constituency demands or requests. Show me one picture. Now social media they challenge you and they tell you say show me one picture where your state assembly member just raise hand only hand like this. Then Show me one video where your senator say no. I not tell you whether I say no kill my people, no, or whether I say no, just the greet and good morning say no, and you see green chairs around. Show me one video. That is to tell you that is to tell you 2027 you will make the same mistake. You will elect bunch of idiots, encyclopedia fools in bunch like this. You will just package all of them. Who are those campaigning for them now? If you come to my local government now, no other people, they are posing now, youth, they are posing. If we are not going to it will look as if they are praising somebody. They are not praising anybody. They know that that person is totally incompetent. The only thing is the person get cash for pocket over the zone. Would they do and well? I'm our people. The person, once you see them supporting anybody, check the person's financial capacity. Now they go use no say people they stupid. You see them praising somebody to look as if they have conscience, or maybe that person get, they'll tell you own the capacity. Own the capacity in politics, or own the cash. Remember, cash and capacity has a in the beginning, at the beginning. When they say, oh, the capacity, the capacity, their capacity, a bundle of capacity. Oh, yeah, this guy can share money. That's why I tell you, if you want to deceive people now, in 2027, start building health centers now, start building schools, start bringing youth closer. On their birthday, wish all of them birthday. Just have somebody on the internet from your place who will be monitoring people. He will comment on their page, write them message, inbox, possibly call them on the phone. Let that your person come and give you phone and say, His Excellency or Honorable, today is Victor's birthday. Please, because help, I wish you a happy birthday. You just pick the call and say, hello Victor, how are you, my brother? Good to him. I've been thinking I'm gonna get bored. Don't promise him anything, no. Just say happy birthday, my brother. You know, I have been seeing the good things you've been doing. I've been hearing good about you. Just keep it on. Just God bless you. And you cut the cord. That is all. That is all. You can imagine, if Uche Nwosu, even Peter B does this thing, I'm telling you. He says, I go for that Peter of Fire this thing now. The whole family there will be happy. Oh, we know their soul. So let's assume it's not Peter B who went to do this now. Let's assume not one fugitive who equally went to do this now. That is a very big strategy. Everybody watching me now, whether you live in Paris or Hong Kong, no, I don't like Hope. I don't like Hope. He's mismanaging him. If Hope will pick phone now, call that idiot on a protest that and Hope boy and a phone now. How are you? Get him, my brother. My brother. I'm coming to London next week. In better come and get phone. Or God, anybody, he will no longer tell any human being that Hope will call him on phone. After dropping the call, he will look around as if come on, when I'm on the there. Let us see the number. Hope will be there near $10,000. Makachuku. He will be patrolling on the internet. Anywhere you say anything against Hope or them, you know why? He has been individually settled. I think I'm talking to human beings. I don't know if I'm communicating with somebody. If I'm communicating with you, just type Olianya, they hear you. He has been individually settled. At that point, when they give him $10,000, he will be planning to come back to Nigeria. Fantastic idiots. More than a DNA, a black man is in their, see, it reads in their organ, it sprinkles in their organs. Wait for this youth to have in front of their parents now, and a bushy part of him. Nde o result now say, Obasa, it is not the eto do. He say no, you know, cause you. He say nothing they happen. You don't know eto result. Small. We went to first cap. Politicians will start sharing muffler very soon. Polo. I go follow print o. I say I go follow print am. I go share am give you. The difference is that the reason why I am printing it is not because I needed to print it. As for my conscience, I don't need to print anything. No, I need to appear simple the way I did. Na so I go the hammer through to the go. If you trust me. But because you no go trust me, because I no share polo, because I no share money, that's why I go bring money again. Can't share give you 2027 say take. Because I know you want money. Money is all you want. The only thing I will not do is, even after sharing the money, when we arrive, I will call you and tell you, wicked now. I will not call you back. I will just keep quiet because Ala may go before. Then it will be an opportunity to rebrand your mentality. Try a quagile make a guy. On money. But you will make things so difficult for politicians. Forget about politicians, leaders, true leaders. You will make things so difficult for them, collect the money from them. Even ordinary Onyesoka State House now will be budgeting above 100 million. Chairman will be budgeting above 70, 60 million naira. Uno gana to share the money. In a tire that money, if I were in any election, you work for him. That's why as they win, member representing Njaba, or other many places, as they win, are they not living in Owerri? From next, this is August. From October this year, politics don't start. The first phase of politics don't start. You will start seeing charity. They will start doing good, building health centers, starting up projects they can never finish. They know that the projects they are kicking off, they don't get the capacity to finish them. They will kick off. They will kick it off. And even write signboard and say it is 23.3 billion. Carry the signboard and put there and buy some block. Give one contractor. When the contractor call them from June, they say, don't you see that we have election at hand? No go rest. They do the job small. And let's see if we win, then we will fund you more. They will deceive the contractor. Some of these contractors will go and collect loan. If they tell you what they are passing through, Anyaga from Tege. If they tell you, you never dare closer, you are far. Nabi they tell you, I get the information that they closer. I know what's up. Wake up, Nabi they tell you. You know why they don't like someone like me now? They say, this guy, and they fear. I don't like him. Why you don't like Obinezoku? Is it not because he's telling you the truth? Funny enough, in this part of the world, I don't fear politicians, so I fear commoners. Now them are the fear pass. Because a politician cannot walk to you and kill you. He will use the people around you. The same people you are trying to save. You know how I knew? That's why I tell you, if they bring Bible, even if you be Dibia, you get opportunity to read Bible, or you go listen to some messages where pastors they preach. If you listen to them finish, pick some things. Do you know that the crowd Jesus came to save, according to the Bible, and people he converted 5 loaves of bread and 2 fishes and fed all of them? They lifted 12 baskets so that some of them could go back home and feed very well, in case you no get food for us to eat. Did they then arrest them? You know what happened? Hey! The same people that were shouting, Hosanna, 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 thou son of David, thou womb that begat thee is blessed. They even removed their wrapper, throw for ground. Jesus was marching on it while stepping into Jerusalem. You know what? Did they hold him? They were saying, crucify him, crucify. The same people he healed their uncles, their sisters, their brothers. That is why this thing I'm doing, I'm not doing it for you. I'm not doing it for your community. As for your community, how many of you pay me now? You go fit pay me. You dey pay me ordinary data. I don't beg you. You go fit get that courage. You say, governor, take data. You go only watch me go your way. Say, okay, go everywhere. Or no, governor but it is my time, my money, everything. It is me. The risk, it is me. Risking. Do you know what I'm risking? Do you know what I have betted in this whole truth I'm saying here? In my company in the village, I know they tell you super story. This will not be my you. In my company in the village, there are about 3 standing houses, building, no be house, no be whole law. So I'm building about 3 built by me. If I include my obri, 4. Together fenced everything. But I have my way of protecting my house. But that's what I am sacrificing. All carry 100 million. In the village. That's what I am betting. That's what I am sacrificing. Even though be my Paula, they are self. I want the MGN that for self. If you ask people, they will tell you, I want the MGN down. That's why you know they see me come show you for videos. See. I know it won't be the MGN that for self. No, they see them as anything when it comes to human being. Because whether you get 20 buildings, 55 buildings in your house, 30,000 AC, let me tell you, one human life is more important than those things. So whether you like get 55 Rolls Royce, get private jet, one of your ear is more important than 55 private jets. You know why? If they cut your ear now, no doctor in the world can fix it, and it will be the same way it is. So if they remove this your nose, no doctor can fix it 100%. So your nose, only your nose is important. You see that your neighbor pikin wey you wan kill am, each of them one day guy Igbo mmadụ egbe or Igbo mmadụ mma ọ dịghị easy. Imero mmadụ ahụ ọ dịghị easy. That person, one of that person's ear, what more than, that is why attempting more than eji egwu na court. It is life imprisonment. Court knows. The judiciary understands that everything you have is important. When you see people, you spot my phone, you maro mother, na mother phone, buaya kai buoya ma, na mother moto, babuoya, kidnap what you boom for moto, man-made. The ordinary Whitlow, if Whitlow do you, if you are experiencing Whitlow, for contract of 100 million, you won't even be comfortable. Hey, let me sign and go. Hey, I'm sick. Malaria and typhoid only, you know how you are. You know how you feel. People, they've lost consciousness. They've lost dignity, human feeling, all for the sake of money. I leave you here tonight. My name is Governor Ezioku Oyilanya. Igbo. God will deliver him. I'll leave you tonight. I have something to do. I'm going out for something. Thank you, and God bless you.